We have guests from Canada, from the USA, from Hong Kong, many from the Nordics, Sweden. We have guests from Spain. So you have to imagine how happy I am to see you all here.
Welcome to the ISIS Papyrus open house. Really great that we're now able, since last year, to invite you to our new facility.
I hope you had a lovely day yesterday, a wonderful evening. We have another, I think, exciting day, a lot of things that we want to still show you.
It's a very exciting area actually because it's changing a lot. There are several drivers for how we communicate with customers. The things are changing.
It's being sent there and to an external archive, which is based on D3. It's also for us easy to interact with these archiving systems.
For us, it is important to underline the values for the sales process.